తాకట్లో ఉన్న బంగారాన్ని విడిపించి ఆ రోజున మార్కెట్ ధర కట్టి మిగిలిన డబ్బును మీకు అందిస్తుంది కొమ్మూరి గోల్డ్.
Hi everyone, I am Shaik. Once again, I am back, guys. Guys, I would like to say one thing here that my students' parents they came to meet me, and what did they say? They said me that if my child can, why can't I? They asked me the question. This actually, their son has joined here 2 months back, and he is doing very well now. The father of the son, he said that, sir, my son is doing very well these days. So even by seeing him, I got inspired. So I want to learn the English, but now my age has gone up. So for me, I feel myself uncomfortable to sit in front of students and learn English. But sir, please try to learn me. Try to learn me English. He's saying me. He's telling that me to train for him also. I said that nothing to worry, my brother. So I thought that he is came here to learn English in the age of 50 years. So I thought that there are hundreds of the other people who are having the same dream, but they can't express in front of everyone. So today I came here that if you want to learn the English, being the age, there is no limit of age. First thing that to learn English, first remove the fear. We have the fear in our heart that if I say to someone that to learn English, they will laugh on me, they may make a mockery of me. They have that fear. But one thing keep in your mind always that when you decided something to do for grow or development of yourself, don't think about the others. One day I will make the one day I will make a one day I will give the speech on the topic what people says. Log kya kahenge? I will try to make try to make a entire video on this topic. As of now, what I want to say, brothers and sisters, first remove the fear in your heart that what people says if I start learning this age. See, for learning language, it doesn't need any age. 5 year to 50 plus year student can join and learn. Language can be learned by anyone. You don't have to worry for that. First, remove the fear of the people. If you go somewhere, if you join somewhere, what people will say, that you have to remove from your heart. And second is, age is not a barrier. Age is not a barrier. Age limit never is only number, guys. Whatever you say, you believe my words that as you have seen history, whereas the people of the 63 years they started the business and they grown to the very high of success. The same way when you decide to yourself that we want to do something or you want to do something, so don't think about the age limit. Age is only number. The time when you start, that day starts for you. So never and ever confine yourself under the walls of room that I cannot do anything. You break the barriers, come out, and you do whatever you want. Then you see the how beautiful world is. Now come to the build confidence. See, these days everyone try to put you down with words, with the actions, by talking about some other person. You never and ever lose the confidence on yourself. You have this world and this time and the situation, everything is belong to you. If you are putting yourself down, people always pull you down. You develop your confidence, you encourage yourself, motivate yourself, and try to do whatever your dream is. Pursue your dreams. Don't think about others, because you know your caliber, you know your skill, you know your hard working. Don't think about others, just you do whatever you want to do. The thing is, what I want to say, build your confidence. Last is take action. See, my brother, if you start once, so do the take the when you have started taking the action, then do every day. Maintain the consistency, not immediately. When you start doing something, since then time, do every day, not one day 1 hour, second day 2 hour, third day you are not doing. No, maintain the consistency. Every day you take the 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. That 30 minutes you have to maintain every day to day, day to day, day to day. So one day you can see yourself huge changes. For example, is that if you save everyday drop of water, one day it will turn into big ocean. Take the action, small action per day, and you can see the big result after a period of time. So guys, these are the points which I want to give you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, I would like to say that if you want to learn English being in your comfort zone, so please subscribe this channel and keep watching this. I am going to train you free of cost. We are not charging anything. We will train you 100% English in your comfort zone. Thank you so much for watching my video. God bless you all. Jai Hind.
And for more videos,
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream.
And please subscribe to iDream.
For more videos, subscribe to iDream.
please like, share and subscribe to the channel.
Congratulations, iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
So subscribe to iDream Media.
iDream की iDream team अंदर की huge congratulations.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
iDream అంటే నా కళల ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న నోరు తిరుగుతలేదు మీరైతే గంట గుర్తు కొట్టండి.
For more such videos, please subscribe to iDream.
Subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe iDream Media.
Please do subscribe to iDream.
Please subscribe to iDream Media.
For best entertainment and information, please subscribe iDream.
And don't forget to subscribe to iDream.